How to log out Gmail from phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail on your phone step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Now, find and select the Google account you want to log out from. Tap on Remove Account at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your action by tapping Remove Account again. Your Gmail account will now be logged out from the device. That's how you can easily log out from your Gmail account on your device. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.